This 2023 Grand Design Solitude S-CLASS 3740BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. This new Grand Design is 40 feet 4 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 10, external shower, TV, awning, refrigerator, leveling jacks, oven, water heater, smoke detector, slideout, microwave, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Solitude S-CLASS 3740BH is 13,884 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Superstore, visit RVUSA.com.